Good morning, everyone. So, today is the turn of chapter number 8 of maths, remainder and factor theorem. So, this chapter is divided into two parts. First is remainder theorem, and second part is factor theorem. Now, if we divide one number with other, and the thing which is left undivided, that is called remainder. But in this chapter, we are talking about polynomials, which has variable x, y, and then constant. They can be divided by any number and how much remainder they leave. So to find that remainder, we have two methods. One is the term which is going to be divided by, that is taken as px, and other is which is going to divide the dividend, that should be put equal to 0. So one example is there, x minus 1 is equal to 0. From here we get x, and when we fill this value in the polynomial like this, and the answer we get, that is remainder. So this is all about remainder theorem. Question number 1 in your book is given. This is statement. They said find the remainder if this is divided by x minus 1. So what we do, we can find the value of x from this. X minus 1 is equal to 0. We get x is equals to 1, and when we fill the value in this and the answer we get, that could be our remainder. So this is all about remainder theorem, the exercise 1a. Okay, question number 2. Now they said show that x minus 2 is a factor. Now factor means when this term divide this term completely. Okay, so completely means the remainder should be 0. On filling the value, if the answer comes 0, then we say it is a factor. So first of all we find x minus 2 is equal to 0. From there we get x is equals to 2. Fill here, and the answer is 0. So yes, we can say x minus 2 is a factor. If your answer don't comes out to be 0, then you cannot say it is a factor. Okay, this is question number 2. Question number 3 is same. Question number 4 is same. I am going to solve question number 5. They said find the value of a and b when x minus 2 and x plus 3 both are factor. दोनों इसके फैक्टर हैं. So one by one we have to do. First, x minus 2 is equals to 0. From there we get 2. We fill this 2 in this equation, and it is a factor. So when we fill the value, we directly put this term is equals to 0. Okay, so by solving we get, this is first equation. Second, x is equals to minus 3. When we fill, again we have to put here because both are the factor of same term. So when you fill the value and solve accordingly, you get second equation. Now there are two equations simultaneously. This is first equation and this is second. So you have to write, you have to solve. There are three methods you have done in class 9th: cross multiplication, elimination, and substitution. So it is your choice. By solving these two equations, we able to get the value of a, which is 3, and the value of b, which is minus 4. Okay, rest I think there are 12 questions. Okay, 17 questions are there. I'm going to now, next is 8. I'm going to solve 8 questions, then 10. Rest you have to complete by yourself. Now this is question number 8 is there. This is polynomial, and they said x minus 1 and x plus 2 both are the factors. So what we'll do, x minus 1 0. From here we get x. When we fill this here, we put this term is equal to 0 because they said factor. Okay, so by solving and multiplication we get first equation, 3m plus n is equals to 16. Second factor is x plus 2. From here we get x is equals to minus 2. By substituting this value in this equation, that again put is equal to 0 because it is also a factor, and you get second equation like this. Now you solve first and second equation, you get m and value of n. This is how first exercise is very simple. You can complete today only. Okay, next is question number 10 that we are going to do is this. Okay, 10th is also a kind of another kind of question. So 10th question, they said find the value of a if this divided by x plus 3 leaves remainder 5. अब आपको remainder दिया है 5. So when you find x and put into this equation, then that value should be is equal to 5 because remainder is already given. Okay, by solving, okay, you get your answer. A is equals to 2. Okay, so you complete this exercise. Thank you.